Alba Cookie is a turkey, and he's feathered and he's fine, and he wobbles and he gobbles, and he's absolutely mine. He's the best pet that you can get, better than a dog or cat. He's my Alba Cookie turkey, and I'm awfully proud of that. He was told me very frankly he resolved to be my pet, not the main course at my dinner, and I told him not to fret. Now my Alba Cookie turkey is so happy in his bed. For our Thanksgiving dinner, we had mac and cheese instead.